What's up, Shubham Gupta from Mobile Express, and today we will do the unboxing of Redmi Note 8 Pro. It's a gamma green color and 6 plus 128 GB storage. So guys, without any further delay, let's start. And we will also do the unboxing of this case which I have ordered through Amazon. And let's start. The features of this phone is that it comes with a 6.5 inch FHD plus display, and it's a gamma green color. Let me keep that aside. And it comes with a fast charger which is of 18 watt, and let me show you the power brick. And it's a fast charger, you can see that. This video is recorded by Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro, which I have done the unboxing. The link will be given in the description area. And now look at our beast mobile phone. And God, क्या तो यार लग रहा है कलर सही में A class. And let's do the setup. And I will show you quickly. So guys, stay tuned. Let me just set up. Your color is looking really awesome. Gamma green color is one of the best color of this mobile phone. The phone is 6.3 inch, 5 inch bigger, but size doesn't look that large according to my opinion. But one thing guys, the phone looking awesome, really awesome. Let me show you how it will look after putting the cover. Oh yeah, it's a white color cover. I thought Xiaomi will give us a black variant, but the color is white, transparent. Let me put the cover. There is one disadvantage of this cover is that the phone camera is slightly outside, but really our phone is very much beautiful. What a beauty of green color, awesome. Meanwhile, let me do the unboxing of this case also, and I will compare this case with Casper case. This is a SHUBHAM case which I have ordered for ₹500, and the link will be given in description area. You can check that. Here now I will order one tripod also, so that I can record the videos. And the quality of the case is really awesome. SHUBHAM. So guys, that's it for this quick video, and I will post another dedicated video because that is taking a huge time.